Hi, today we are going to do the difference of two squares. So I have taken x squared minus y squared. Difference of two squares. This can be written as product of two brackets, that is x minus y, x plus y. Let's go to the first example, that is factorize m squared minus n squared. So first check whether that is difference of two squares. Yeah, it is m squared minus n squared. Then we can write this one as product of two brackets. I write two brackets here. One bracket is minus, the other bracket is plus. So m squared minus n squared equals m minus n times m plus n. Okay, example 2, factorize 25x squared minus 4y squared. Earlier we had unknowns, but here with these unknowns we have numbers also. Then check whether these numbers can be written as squares. 25 can be written as 5 squared. 4 can be written as 2 squared. Okay, let's write like that. So 25 means 5 squared x squared minus 4 means 2 squared y squared. Then this means 5x to the power 2, whole thing to the power 2, minus this means 2y whole thing to the power 2. Now this is a difference of two squares. In here it is not difference of two squares, but here it is difference of two squares. Then we can write as two brackets. First bracket 5x minus 2y, the other bracket 5x plus 2y. Example 3, that is 36a to the power 3b minus 4ab to the power 3. So we have numbers and we have unknowns. When you are given something like this, check whether you can factorize this one. So 4 and 36, 4 can be taken out. When you take 4 out, and here 4 times 1, 4 times 9. 9 also can be written as a square, so 4 can be taken out. Then a to the power 3, here a to the power 1, then you can take a to the power 1 out. Then here b to the power 1, b to the power 3, then b to the power 1 also can be taken out. So altogether you can take out 4ab. When you take 4ab out, first if you take first term, 4ab out means we have to divide 36 a to the power 3b by 4ab. Then 36 divided by 4, that is 9. A to the power 3 divided by a, that is a to the power 2. B to the power 1 divided by b to the power 1, get cancelled. Minus 4 divided by 4, that is 1. A divided by a, get cancelled. B to the power 3 divided by b to the power 1, that is b to the power 2. Now check the inside brackets. That is 9 a to the power 2 minus b to the power 2. But here a to the power 2 and b to the power 2 is there, but 9 is there. Then check whether this 9 can be written as a square. Yes, 9 can be written as 3 squared. Then we write 4ab 3 squared a squared minus b squared. Now this can be written as difference of two squares. How? 4ab, I put curly brackets here, then 3a whole thing to the power 2 minus b to the power 2. Then we have inside the bracket we have a difference of 2 squares. Then this can be written as 2 brackets. How? 4ab 2 brackets 3a minus b 3a plus b. So the final answer is 4ab 3a minus b 3a plus b. Example 4. Factorize 16t to the power 2 minus 4/25 u to the power 2. Then first of all, check the variables, that is t squared and u squared. Then numbers 16, 4, 25. 16 can be written as 4 to the power 2. 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. So we can write numbers also as squares. So I write 16 means 4 to the power 2 t to the power 2 minus 4 means 2 to the power 2 over 25 means 5 to the power 2 u to the power 2. Then this can be written as 40 to the power 2. 40 whole thing to the power 2 minus this can be written as 2u over 5 whole thing to the power 2. Now we have difference of 2 squares. So you can write as 2 brackets. That is 40 minus 2u over 5, 40 plus 2u over 5. Here they have given example 5. Find the value of 81 squared minus 80 squared. So we have difference of 2 squares. We have to use difference of 2 squares method to find the value. It is like x squared minus y squared. So if it is x squared minus y squared, we can write as 2 brackets. How? First term minus second term, first term and second term. Then 81 minus 80 means that is 1 times 81 plus 80 means 161. So 1 times 161, 161. Example 6. Find the value of 3.81 to the power 2 minus 3.8 to the power 2. We have difference of 2 squares. So I can write as 2 brackets 3.81 minus 3.8, 3.81 plus 3.8, and 3.81 minus 3.8, that is 0.01 times 3.81 plus 3.8, 1 at 0 it is 1, 8 plus 8 that is 16, decimal 3 plus 3 that is 6, at 1 that is 7. Then 0.01 means 1 over 100 times 7.61. So this means 7.61 divided by 100. When you divide 7.61 by 100, decimal place moves 2 digits to left. 1, 2. So the answer is 0.0761. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.